I am Sharon Tinberg, creator of this training system, which is the new way to learn how to clean a home. This comprehensive learning system combines effective education methods with state-of-the-art technology. What you are about to learn and do is so valuable. More and more people are suffering from asthma issues these days and have difficulties breathing. Just to help with this issue alone, dusting is extremely important. What is dust anyway? Where does it come from? Dust includes soil particles, fibers, skin we shed, animal dander, hair, insect parts, smoke and ashes, pollen, fungi, bacteria, and dust mites. Whew! If a home is not dusted, the filth accelerates because dust will attract bugs, and it will become home to dust mites and molds. People living in a dusty home are more susceptible to diseases, and if they have a family, they are more likely to spend more time in hospitals. And on the top of health issues with dust, there is another financial reason to remove the dust from a home on a regular basis that you probably never ever thought of. And that is, dust on surfaces not only makes surfaces look dingy and dirty, but dust can actually cause scratching and damage to household surfaces. For all of these reasons, dusting might just be one of the most important chores of cleaning. As cleaning service professionals, we make a promise to our clients and want to fulfill it 100%. That promise is very simple: to make them 100% happy every time we clean their home. The process and procedures that you are about to learn, when executed properly, will deliver that promise. So please pay attention, understand what is expected of you, and ask questions if you do not understand. There is no such thing as a stupid question. Actually, the only stupid question there is the one that was never asked. You are about to engage in 4 lessons that will guarantee your success every time you dust a home. In the first lesson, you will watch a video of a cleaner executing the perfect dusting of a living room, and some examples will also take place in the master bedroom of a repeat client. In the second lesson, you will learn the same process that the cleaner followed in the video by repeating her steps in a simulated sketch. In the third lesson, you will learn the procedures followed at this company to execute dusting. Procedures cover the product used and the tool and action used to clean an area or an item. Lesson 4 is your final quiz, which tests everything you have learned about the process and procedures for dusting a repeat client home in this company. If you have any questions, this would be a great time to ask your trainer because we are about to start Lesson 1. Lesson 1, Process. As I said earlier, there are 2 strategic functions when dusting a home. The first is process and the second is procedure. Process is the order you follow to clean a home. Where do you start? What do you clean next? Process is actually 50% of cleaning a home because it guarantees both accuracy and efficiency. As many as 50% of complaints from clients are because something was missed completely. Not cleaned poorly, missed completely. That is process. What might be more interesting to you is the fact that as many as 50% of cleaners leave their jobs because their lack of efficiency does not allow them to make good money in this job. And believe me, there is good money in this job if you are thorough and fast. Following the process exactly as you are about to learn will ensure you miss nothing in the time allotted for each home. As I said earlier, Lesson 1 shows you the process using a video. This video was made pre-pandemic, so there is no face mask, gloves, or booties in the video. The cleaning process, however, is exactly the same, pre-pandemic or post-pandemic. Watching this video is your first lesson in learning how to dust professionally, so it is very important that you pay attention to the video. Granted, it doesn't offer the immediate excitement of a Harry Potter movie, but it will be pretty exciting when the compliments and tips start rolling in because you are the very best cleaner this client has ever had. Watch how the cleaner handles her cleaning cloths and tools, how she replaces them to their original place every movement, how she never backtracks or misses a thing. In this process, we go around the room twice, one for long dusting and once for short dusting. When long dusting, we also do the top of the wall where it meets the ceiling, and then we immediately dust the bottom baseboards before we take a step and move forward. So we only have to circle the room once to do both the high and low long dusting. It is time to watch the video. Please pay attention, watch the cleaner closely, and write down any questions about anything you do not understand. I will see you for lesson 2, where you will implement what you learned.